guys, in this video we will learn how to combine like terms. Well, like terms, what that means, like terms are the terms that contain the same variables with corresponding variables with the same power. What does that mean? Let's say that x is your variable, right? So if you have x and you have x squared, even though you have the same letter, but they don't have the same power. Okay, so that means they're not like terms. Okay, they're not like terms. Now, in order for them to be like terms, they have to have the same letter and also the same power. Okay, now these two would be like terms. Okay, just a quick overview right there. So, how does this work? Well, so right here I have A and I have A. So these two are like terms. And here I have just a number or a constant. And I have another constant right here. And those are like terms too. So when you combine, you're adding. So -5 plus 2 is -3, A. And then I have -2 minus 8, I have -10. Okay, so I got -3A from that, and I got -10 from that. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now let's step up the game here. So here I have x, and I also have x right here. So these two are like terms. I also have y, and y. These are like terms. And I have only one constant. So I cannot combine this one with anybody. Okay? So when you combine, you add. So -9 minus 4, I have -13x. That I got from x. And y, I have -2 minus 8. I have -10y. And then plus 7, I don't have anybody to combine 7 with. So that's just what I have. And the y was from this y and this y combined. All right. Now, the whole point of combining like terms is so we can eventually evaluate. So we simplify everything first, and then we evaluate. So here, again, like terms, they have to have the same variables with the same exponents or the same power. So here we go. I have xy, and I also have xy. I have x, and I have x. I have one y that doesn't have another y, and I have z. Okay, so these guys are not the same, so I'm not going to use any color to color code anything. I will combine these two, and I will combine these two. So here we go. 1xy, I have an invisible one right there. 1xy plus 2xy, I have 3xy. 5x minus 7x, I have -2x. What else do I have? And then I have these two that they don't have anybody to combine with. So just minus 3y minus 4z. Okay, now that this is the best I can do to simplify this, now I will go ahead and evaluate. Evaluate from the previous video. That means I will substitute the variables with the values they have. So 3x, x equals -3. So you substitute that value. Y is -2. Substitute that value in for y. X again, -3. Now y, we are right here. And z. Now we will evaluate this whole thing. So -3 times -2 is +6. 3 times 6 is 18. -2 times -3 is +6. -3 times -2 is +6. -4 times -6 is -24. All right, now combine everything. 18 plus 6, 24. plus 6, 30. 30 minus 24 is 6. Ta-da! I will see you next time.